Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block a phone number on your Android phone. So if you want to block like a contact, this is easy. Just go to the phone option, go to phone, go to the top right and go to settings, and click this, and then go to blocked. Then we can go to call block rules, and we can turn this on. We can block all incoming calls, block unknown numbers, block private or withheld numbers right there. And then we can go back. Then we have message block, block unfamiliar messages right here. So just by going to some of these settings, it can be very specific. But if we want to go to additional settings, go to the top right, go to block rules. Now under here, we can see our blocked list. We can go to add, and we can add a specific number or person from our contacts list to our block list, and then they won't be able to contact anymore. So you can see right here on the bottom, go to add, and they'll bring up your contacts, and then you can block them specifically. But here's the different options. Add manually, block prefix, add from contacts, add from call log, add from messages. So it's very easy to block a specific number. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.